Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix error code 277 channel production. First of all, open your Play Store application and then tap on search. Search here Roblox. Update your Roblox application if it is available. You can see my Roblox apps is already updated. Now go back your home screen. Now tap and hold on your Roblox application. Tap on this icon. Scroll down little bit. You can see here storage. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. Tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. Remember that if you clear or clear data on your apps, you have to need login again. Okay, now delete. After tap on delete, go back your home screen. Now open your Roblox application and log in your account. Then you can see hopefully solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.